Hello and welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be cleaning the gutters and fascias and soffits and the conservatory roof on the property behind me. But this time I'm not going to be using my Kranzel. I'm going to be using the DTLR Pro, which is a pressure washer from Kiam. This is in conjunction with the release of this pressure washer. They've sent it me to test, and we'll see how we get on with it. So it's been a really cold morning this morning, and it's quite frosty, so I think that the gutters are still going to be frozen on this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash everything down first, and then I'm going to clean the gutters out afterwards, clearing up any bits that I might drop. The DTLR Pro is an electric pressure washer, 240 volts, and it runs at about 9.5 litres a minute. It comes with the snow foam cannon, it comes with the quick release trigger, a 500mm detailing lance, and also 15 litres of high pressure hose, and all got quick release fittings on it. It's all set up ready, so it's a lovely little package if you want to do car detailing, or if you want to use it for cleaning gutters and fascias as I do. When you get this, the only little thing that you've got to make sure you do is it comes with a transport bung in, so you just got to take that out. It comes with the breather bung in the pump, so you just got to screw that back in, but that all comes and it's in the instructions. Comes with a little instruction manual as well, and just explains everything to you, how to use it and all that sort of thing. So as I said, I was supposed to be cleaning the whole of this house today, but unfortunately it was that wet on Monday. She's got a couple of roofers doing the garage roof on the front, but they're working on that, so I'm not going to be able to clean the front of that today, which I'm going to have to come back and do. So I'm just going to do the back. So we'll give this a go. So let's get cracking with this job and see how we get on with it. So what an absolutely fantastic pressure washer. Really enjoyed using this. I think I'd have been very tempted, if I knew what this was like, to get one of these instead of getting the Kranzel. I'll put a link to this in the description below, so if you are interested, go through the link. Yeah, lovely machine. It seems really well built, really nice parts on it. I don't normally wash the conservatory roof down with the pressure washer, but I thought today I'd try it. Turned it right down on the valve and water treat, and the job has come up really nice. The customer's ever so pleased. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Hope you thought it was useful. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.